equal sets. So let us consider two sets A and B are said to be equal if A is subset of B and B is subset of A. Then we call A equal to B. A and B are equal sets. And one more thing. So if we are taking two sets A and B, so the cardinal number of elements in A and B are equal. That is n of A equal to n of B, and number of the elements are same in A and B. Then A and B are called equal sets. Again, so let us consider A and B are two sets. If A subset B or B subset A and B subset A, then A and B are equal sets. And one more. So number of elements in A equal to number of elements in B. N of A equal to n of B, and the elements which presence in A and B are same. So then the sets are called equal sets. So in the exercise 2.3, so all the problems, most of the problems are based upon the equality of sets, whether the sets are equal or not. So we need to find. So first one, which of the following sets are equal? First, which of the following sets are equal? Which of the following sets are equal? So A equal to X such that X is a letter of the word. X is the letter of the word follow. FOLLOW, follow. Next, B equal to taking X such that X is a letter of the word. X is the letter of the word flow. FLOW, flow. Next, C, X such that X is a letter of the word wolf. X is a letter of the word wolf. WOLF. So whether these three sets are equal sets or not. So we need to discuss. First solution, coming to the solution. A equal to X such that X is a letter of word follow. FOLLOW, follow. If we are taking the letters of the word follow, first we need to observe this is the set which is in the set builder form, not in the roster form. I want to convert into roster form. So according to the information I want to write. So A equal to roster form I want to write. So FOLLOW. I want to collect the letters. So first F, next O, next L, small l. So since it is a set, elements in the set, I want to take the small letters F, O, L. Next, already L completed, again one more L. So no need to write in a set every element we can represent only once. So L. Next O again. Next W. So A equal to FOLW. Next I am taking the set B. X such that X is a letter. X is a letter of word flow. FLOW, flow. So I want to write this roster set builder form to roster form. If we write set builder form to roster form again, we need to consider the word flow. FLOW. I want to write the letters. First F, next L, next O, next W. All are different letters. So that's why I am taking all. Okay. Next, this is the roster form. Next C equal to X such that X is a letter. X is a letter of word follow. FO, wolf. Letter of the word wolf. WOLF. Okay. C equal to roster form I want to write. So I want to take the elements in the roster form. So since the elements in the set are small letters. I want to repeat W, O, L, F. So all are distinct letters. I want to write as it is. We got three sets now in the roster form. So these three sets are in the roster form. All these three sets having equal number of elements. Having the three sets having 4 elements. And one more thing. So all the sets containing same elements. Containing same elements. Order may be different. Order is not at all important for us. So the elements presence is important. All the 4 elements are presenting, and all the 4 elements are also same. So A comma B comma C are equal sets because so n of A equal to n of B equal to n of C, and elements presence in sets A comma B comma C are also same. So that's why these three sets are equal sets. Okay, now coming to the second question. Second question is about consider the following sets. Consider the following sets. Consider the following. Consider the following sets and fill up the blanks. And fill up the blanks. And fill up the blanks with equal or not equal. With equal or not equal. So as to make the statements true. The statement true. So we need to fill either it is equal or not equal. So as to make the statement true, so it should be equal. So A 1, 2, 3, B equal to the first three natural numbers. The first three natural numbers. Natural numbers. Next C. C equal to A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Next D. D, C, A, B. D, C, A, B. Next E. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Next F. Set of vowels. Set of vowels in English alphabet. In English alphabet. English alphabet. Okay. So this is the information given about the 6 sets. Okay. So and one more. First one A dash B. Second A dash E. Third D C dash D. Fourth D dash F. Fifth F dash A. Sixth D dash E. Seventh F dash B. Okay, so we need to fill up these blanks according to the sets. So according to the sets, either we take equal or not equal. So if we compare two sets equal or not equal, if it is easy to convert roster form, later we can easily compare whether those are equal or not equal. So in set builder form we can't get a idea completely whether those are equal sets or not equal sets. That's why I want to convert into set builder form to roster form if anything given in set builder form. This is already 1, 2, 3 roster form. Okay, A, B, C, D, this is also roster form. A, E, I, O, U, this is also roster form. D, C, A, B, this is also roster form. Now I want to convert the set builder forms to roster form. the first three natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. So first two natural number 1, second 2, third 3. 1, 2, 3. So these are the first three natural numbers. Next, set of vowels in English alphabet. So we know alphabets. Alphabets are A, B, C, D, E, F up to so on Z. Among these, so vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So these are the vowels. Now I want to compare A and B. A elements 1, 2, 3. B elements are also 1, 2, 3. Elements same, equal, and number of elements equal. So these are equal sets, A and B. A and E. So A, E, if we compare A, E, A set containing elements 1, 2, 3. These are A, E, I, O, U. So these are different. So simply not equal. C and D. If we compare C and D, A, B, C, D, D, C, A, B. So the number of elements in D 4, A is also 4. So the elements are same, different order, but order is not at all criteria. So the elements presence are same. So these are equal sets. Next, fourth, D and F. D, D, C, A, B. A, E, I, O, U. These are 4 elements, these are 5 elements. Okay, so I don't want to compare the elements, simply 4, 5. Simply it is not equal sets. Next, F and A. F, A. F containing 5 elements, A, E, I, O, U, 5. A containing 3 elements. So not equal, these are not equal sets. D and E. A, D, C, A, B. 4 elements. E, A, E, I, O, U, 5 elements. So number of elements not equal, automatically not equal sets. F and B. So F, A, E, I, O, U, 5 elements. B containing 3 elements. So these are not equal sets. So if we compare two sets are equal or not, first we need to compare cardinal number. It is nothing but number of elements. Later we need to compare the elements. Okay. So the number of elements are not equal, automatically it is not equal sets. So if the number of elements are equal, then we need to compare. So whether the elements are present in that sets are same or not. If those are also same, then the sets are equal sets. Okay, next. Third question. In each of the following, state whether A equal to B or not. State whether A equal to B or not. So first, A equal to ABCD, ABCD, B equal to DCAB, DCAB. Next, second, A equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, A equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, B equal to 8, 4, 16, 18, 8, 4, 16, 18. Next, third, A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B equal to X such that X is a positive, X such that X is a positive even integer and X less than 10, X less than 10. Next, fourth, X is a multiple of 10, X is a multiple of 10, B equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, okay. Now whether A and B, this is the question. We need to state whether A equal to B or not, simply. So if it is given in the roster form, we can easily write. So A having elements A, B, C, D, B having D, C, A, B. So elements A, B, B, C, C, D, D. So number of elements are equal, and the elements presence in the sets A comma B are also same. So A comma B are equal sets. A equal to B. A and B are equal sets. A equal to B. Next, second, 4, 8, 12, 16, 8, 4, 16, 18. If we compare number of elements in A, 4, number of elements in B, 4. So number of elements are equal. Now I want to compare. So 4, 4, 8, 8. So 16, 16. But A containing element 12, B containing element 18. So 12 is not in B, 18 is not in A. So here A 12 belong to A and 12 not belong to B. 16 belong to not 16. 8 4. Next 18 belong to B and 18 doesn't belong to A. So A and B are not equal sets. So here this 12 element is in A but not in B. 18 element is in B but not in A. So elements are different. So these two sets are not equal sets. Next one. So here A, this is the roster form, but it is given in the set builder form. B equal to, I want to convert into roster form. X is a positive even integer, x less than 10. We need to write positive numbers less than 10. So first number 2, 4, 6, 8, x less than 10. So we don't take 10 up to 8. This set containing 5 elements, this set containing only 4 elements. So these two sets are not equal sets. Of course 2, 4, 6, 8 are also same, but there exists another additional element in A. Okay, this is 5 elements, this is 4 elements. Simply, so 10 belong to A but not in B. So therefore A not equal to B. So A not equal to B. Next, X is a multiple of 10. So roster form I want to write A equal to multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, up to so on. So B 10, 15, 20, 25 up to so on. Here 15, 25, 15, comma 25 divided as odd numbers belong to B but not in A. But not in A. So therefore these are not equal sets. A not equal to B. Next question. Question number 4. State the reasons for the following. State the reasons for the following. State the reasons for the following. First one. 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Last 10 not equal. X such that X belong to N and 1 less than X less than 10. Okay, next, second. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 not equal to X such that X equal to N plus 1 and N belongs to X belong to N and X belong to N. Next, third 5, 15, 30, 45. 5, 15, 30, 5, 15, 30, 45. 30, 45 not equal. X is a multiple of 15. X is a multiple of 15. Next, fourth 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Not equal. X is a prime number. X is a prime number. Okay, now, so the information is directly given, not equal. Why it is not equal, we need to mention the reason. Okay, so the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 10. So there exist 10 elements. So I want to write this set in the roster form. X belong to n means x is a natural number. We need to take natural numbers. So according to this condition, 1 less than x less than 10. So x is more than 1 and less than 10. X is more than 1 and less than 10. X we need to take the natural numbers, we must take lies between 1 to 10. What are the natural numbers lies between 1 to 10? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this. So we are not going to take 1, we are not taking 10 because less than. If it is a less than or equal to given, then we choose 1 and 10. 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10, then we choose 1 and 10. But since it is less than, so we are not taking 1 and also not taking 10. So here the element 1, but here doesn't contain. So 1 comma 10 contains in first set, but not in second set. So therefore not equal sets. So this is the reason. So 1 comma 10 elements are in first set but not in the second set. That's why these two sets are not equal sets. Next, second. This is roster form directly given. So I am taking this one. X equal to n plus 1 and x belong to n. So I want to substitute natural number n equal to 1. 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. N equal to 1, we will get 3. N equal to 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. N equal to 3, 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 9, like that. Okay, so how many natural numbers infinitely? It is going on. So this set containing 5 elements, this containing more than 5. So many elements. So automatically not equal sets. Okay, so one thing, so it is finite set, infinite set. And this is a even series, odd series. This is even numbers, these are odd numbers. So no element is same. No element is same. So not equal sets. Not equal sets. Next, third one, 5, 15, 30, 45. This is roster form directly given. So multiple of 15. So 15 table simply. Not up to 15 into 10. It will be goes on. 15 to 30 into 3, 45 into 4, 60, 75 up to so on. So this set containing 5, this doesn't. So 5 contains first set but not second set. So therefore sets are not equal. So these are not equal sets. Okay, now this one. So prime numbers. I am taking prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 up to so on. So this is the prime number set. This is the sum of the prime numbers. So here it is what? 9. So 9 is in this set, 9 doesn't contain in this set. So if it is not given 9 also, this is only 4, this is so many. So even though these are not equal sets. So 9 contains first set but it is not in second. So therefore these are not equal sets. These are not equal sets. So this is the